Aren't you tired of being told no? Aren't you tired of being told no? If you have bad credit and you're in need of an apartment, contact us. If you're in need of a vehicle, contact us. If you have bad credit and you're looking to repair your credit, contact us. If you are unemployed and you're looking for employment verification, contact us. Yes, that's right. We do it all. Aren't you tired of being told no? If you're looking to start your own credit repair business, we are here. Aren't you tired of being told no? Contact our office. If you are at 504 408 5088, 504 408 5088, Tuesday through Friday. We also offer apartment packages.